Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's 5 off 25 Saturday deals for 10/11. Already the 11th, guys. Let's get it going now. So let's get to our first 5 off of 25. You're going to pick up a Febreze auto clip for $3.50. It's a $2 coupon. Then you're going to pick up one Airwick kit for $4.35 or $4.25. It is a $3 coupon. Then you're going to pick up a 16 count Mega Charmin Ultra Strong Tissue for $19. It's a $3 coupon. Then you're going to clip your 5 off of 25 coupon. And here is your 5 off 25 for Saturday. It expires tomorrow. Make sure you clip it. I have so many people tell me, hey, my deal didn't go right, and they didn't clip your 5 off 25. Okay, let's scan the Charmin tissue first. And you're at $19. You have a $3 coupon. Then we're going to scan the Febreze clip. That's at $3.50. You have a $2 coupon. Then we're going to scan the Airwick kit. That's at $4.25. We have a $3 coupon that is expiring tomorrow. Guys, please try to include your expired coupon in your Saturday deals, okay, to make up some awesome deals. So here, let's do the math. Okay, it's $19 for the tissue. It's $4.25 for the Airwick kit, and it's $3.50 for the Febreze auto clip. Takes you to $26.75. Now you're going to take your 5 off 25, take your 3 off your tissue, take your 3 off your kit, and then take your 2 off your car clip. Leave you at $13.75. Now let's do the math, guys. These all 3 items together is $13.75 with our coupons, right? This Charmin tissue by itself is $19. So we're already getting a good deal, because this is 19 bucks, but with those 3 products and your 5 off 25, the whole deal is $13.75. Okay, now divide that by 3, $4.58. You're going to pay $4.58 for this pack of tissue, $4.58. So that deal right there alone, if you can pay, this is Charmin, this is one of the goodies, pay $4.58 for that. That's an awesome deal. Okay, now let's get to another stock up deal, guys. We're going to stock up because of the shutdown. Okay, guys, another stock up. You're going to pick up all of this. See this right here? You're going to pick up 1 extra. Now, guys, pick up the 84 loads. Let's say 84 loads. Because let me show you. This one is 48 loads, and they're still ringing up at $5.75 also. So pick up this one, okay? Then you want to pick 1 Odor Blaster up at $2. $2 coupon, $4. 2 Arm & Hammers, if you have those coupons. Everyone should have them. They're $5 each, but it's 2 coupons. Pick those 2 up. Then you pick 1 Arm & Hammer, that's $4, and it's a $2 coupon. Extra has a $2 coupon, and the Febreze, of course, we know has a $2 coupon. We're going to scan everything, okay? Stock up because of the shutdown. That's what our goal is today. So we're going to stock up because of the shutdown. Okay, now that Arm & Hammer, this is the one for $5. You see that I have 2 coupons. One expires 11/1 and one expires 10/25. Then I'm going to scan this one. Make sure that I got 1 for that, or is that an extra coupon? I'm trying to see. Okay, that might be 1 extra coupon, but I have those. Let me see if that's the extra coupon. I think it is. If it's that coupon, then you got to take 1 of those Arm & Hammers off, which you might have to. I did take 1 of the Arm & Hammers off because I didn't realize that those 2 coupons, 1 connected to a $4 coupon. Okay, we don't want that. So we're going to pick up this Dawn at $4, and it's a $2 coupon. So we're still getting the exact same price. We're still doing the exact same swap out. Okay, That's Dawn is at $4 and you have a $2 coupon. So it's the exact same swap out. Okay, let's do the extra. The extra is $5.75 and you had that $2 coupon that expires tomorrow. Remember what I told you about expiring coupons? Try and use them in your 5 off 25. So let's do the math. The extra is $5.75. The Dawn is $4. The 2 Oxy's Arm & Hammers are $5 a piece, and then that Old Blaster is $4. Okay, $23.75. Then you're going to put on your $3.50 for the Febreze car clip. Makes you $27.25. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 2 off the extra, the 2 off of the car clip, the 2 off the Dawn, the 2 off the Odor Blaster, the 2 off each one of the Oxy laundry detergent. Leaves you at $10.25. Divide that by 6 products, $1.70. This is $1.70, guys. This is an awesome deal right here. I definitely will pay $1.70 for this. And the best deal came out of it was this extra 84 load for $1.70. Coupon expires tomorrow. Let's get to another stock up. Get to the stock up right here. It looks like a lot, doesn't it? It is not. We're going to pick up 2 Cloroxes at $2.75. It's a $2 off 2 coupon. 1 Dawn at $4. It's a $2 coupon. 2 Ajaxes at $4 each. It's a $2.50 off 2 coupon. And then you're going to pick up 2 Fabulosos at $5. It is a $2.50 off coupon. We're going to scan them all. We're going to scan the Ajax. The Ajax is $4. And you say $2.50 when you buy 2. Okay. Now we're going to scan the Fabuloso. It's $5. And you say $2.50 when you buy 2. That coupon expires tomorrow, guys. Now we're going to scan the Clorox. The Clorox is $2.95. And you say, okay, on mine, I use mine. So let me go. I'll screenshot off my other phone, guys. Yes, I have to screenshot sometimes. I'll be done used. You say $2 off of 2, okay? And we all know that the Dawn is $4 and you have $2 off of 1 Dawn. Okay, so let's start doing the $4 for the Dawn. We're going to do $2.95 for each Clorox, $4 for each Ajax, and then $5 for each Fabuloso. We should have 7 items. $27.90. First, take your 5 off 25. Take your 2 off of the Dawn. Take your $2 off of the Clorox. Take your $2.50 off the Ajax, and then take your $2.50 off the Fabuloso. Take you to $13.90. Divide that by 2, 4, 6, 7 products. $1.98. Stock up. $1.98. Fabuloso. $1.98. These are all stock ups, guys. Now, what can you include in as substitutes? The Skin Tint is $6. You have a $3 coupon. You buy 2 Hellos at $7.50. They are buy one, get one free. Let's scan it. Okay, let's look at the $7.50, and we have a BOGO. We do have a $1 coupon that you could use on the Irish Spring deodorant right here. This is $10. You have a $5 coupon. Okay, it's some deals in here you can do that can get you way below $10. But my goal was stock up this week because of the shutdown. Okay, guys. If you all enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, share RB's coupon account because we don't gatekeep. Bye.